Hello everyone, my lecture topic is India global economy. As we know that India is the seventh largest country in the world and the first largest populated country in the world. It surpasses China in recent years and become the 140 billion population country. If we talk about the global economy, India has recently become the fifth largest economy of the world, and it will be become the third largest economy of the world in the upcoming year. Our current Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi said it various times. Also, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi took various initiatives to lead a growth in the global Indian economy. Like it focuses on the manufacturing in India. Also focused on the many startups. So it startup also recently. Our Prime Minister also took various steps to initiate to boost up the global tourist with the help of the spirituality. Like recently, Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated the Ayodhya Ram Temple, which will boost the economy of the UP, which ultimately definite the growth of the Indian GDP as well. One more, many several other steps also taken by the central government, like India's focus on the export rather than the import. In defense sector, we can say that the India export many equipments to other countries. If we talk about of the previously years, before 20 to 25 years, India is the largest importer. Now India's ecosystem is made such like that the many countries want to invest in India. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and the foreign external minister Shri S. Jankar made a diplomatic relation with every country very good. Like if we look at the current scenario, like in Russia-Ukraine war, India became neutral. Neither India on the side of the Ukraine nor in the side of the Russia. Same in with the case of the Israel and Palestine. We support the humanity. We give aid to the Palestinian citizen as well. Also made a good relation with the Israel as well. So India has currently an image of the neutral. So this ultimately benefit in the investment in India, and India has become a very good ecosystem to invest in India. Like Apple recently install a production plant in India, so it will definitely drop down the value of the Apple iPhone. Also, many companies have been previously investment in China, now currently invested in India, just because of the manpower. India is a country with largest number of youth. So in conclude, I can say that the India will be a third largest economy in the world soon. Thank you.